YouTube. We're here in Lowell, Massachusetts today, where we're going to be taking out a 80% gas furnace and installing a high efficient Affinity York furnace partnered with a high efficiency EcoWare heat pump unit to provide the most energy efficient heating and cooling for our client. This unit will make their electric bills drop by over 30% for cooling their house. So stay tuned and I'll show you how things go as we get this job going. We are recovering the refrigerant. Here's the utility room here in Lowell. We're going to remove that power vented water heater and mount a Navien Tankless unit here, and then we're going to remove this furnace and AC and put a nice air bear high capacity filter in, 98% efficient York Affinity furnace with the EcoWare evaporator coil on top, and there'll be a dual fuel system so that the heat pump will run and make heat down to 30 degrees Fahrenheit by Mass Save's rules, and then it will automatically switch over to gas fired when it drops below 30 degrees. And that's the guidelines that Mass Save has for their heat loan program. Now I'm going to start disassembling all of this stuff. Today we're back in Lowell. Today we're going to have our master sheet metal technician, the MMA, Mr. Sid Durkee, is just getting set up to make his sheet metal transitions from the old supply plenum to the new evaporator coil, and then he's going to tie the return drop in just to make a transition to fit our air filter. But Michael and I are going to focus on today is getting this old power vented tank type water heater out and getting a Navien Tankless water heater installed in that location. And oh, here he comes, the MMA himself, Mr. Sid Durkee. What?